Hi, Orchestra 1. We are on page 26 this week. We are going over lesson 6, which is Russian folk song. So your test will be on the Russian folk song. Before you start playing Russian folk song, I highly suggest you go over lines number 1 and 2 on page 26, just as a review for your G string notes. Okay. Almost all of the notes on the Russian folk song or in the Russian folk song are going to be on the G string. Okay. So practicing and getting used to reading those notes is going to be helpful. So going over lines 1 and 2 is very important. The next thing that we need to make sure that we're doing is in measures 1 and measure 3 of Russian folk song, you're doing your slurs. So remember that a slur is 2 notes in a bow. So you'll have, so half of your bow for one note, the other half for the other note. Don't stop your bow, just nice and legato, nice and smooth. A good exercise for you would be to play line number 2 as quarter notes and do them as slurs. So every measure would be one bow. So it would be played like this. Continue practicing your slurs. They're very important because as we get more and more advanced, we're going to see slurs that have 4 notes, 5 notes, 6 notes, 12 notes. Okay, so as you practice, make sure that you're incorporating everything that was done prior to where you currently are. Okay, so line number 6. Once you've practiced your slurs and you've gone over your notes on the G string, just take it slowly. Repeat any measures that you mess up on. Don't continue going. So if I messed up on measure 1, I'm going to continue. I'm going to play measure 1 about 5 times and then move on. Okay? So I'm going to play through the entire song for you, and then any spots that I think need to be broken down, I'll break them down for you. Fourth finger. Notice that when I got to measure 5, I played piano because there's a P marked there. So I started off forte, I started off nice and loud, closer to the bridge, nice full bows, a lot of weight in my hand, and then I relaxed my hand and I went to piano, okay? And I played softer, and then when I got to measure 6, 7, 8, 9. When I got to measure 9, that's when I went back to forte. Okay. Watch your 4th fingers for the D's. The only time you play open D is in measure 2 and in measure 4. Okay. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later.